Wonderful afternoon! Welcome to Mother's Wonderland!
Sobrang mahal. Yes, sobrang mahal na ng ginastos ko kada travel. Tapos dito lang pala sa Quezon makikita yung ganitong primera klaseng experience. This is Mother's Wonderland. Pagpasok mo palang mararamdaman mo na ganito palang na-experience ng mga mayayaman. So kung first time mo pupunta dito, babayad ka ng 1,500 para maging member ka ng Club 500 nila. However, until January 15, naka-promo sila, 950 lang ang babayaran mo. At pagkatapos sa next visit mo for the first quarter of 2025, 500 na yon, consumable pa sa loob. Kung may isang bagay na tumatak sa akin dito, hindi lang yung experience, the view, the shows, the amenities, everything. So let me take you to some of my favorite spots. First on the list, the Tunnel of Lights. Nakakagulat kasi nasa ilalim talaga to ng burol. Sa ibabaw ng Tunnel of Lights ay ang Hobbit House. Ito na ang bago naming inspiration pag nagpatayo kami ng bagong bahay. And right under that, dito kami pinakatumagal, the Dance Studio. So yes, magsasayaw ka dun, Day. Marami talagang activity, sabi ko sa inyo. Syempre, bilang matakaw na tao, dito tayo sa restaurant. Dito talaga masusukat kung okay yung plate. And G, ako kumakain ng isda, but girl, kumain ako ng isda dito. Now, eto na talaga. This is the nail in the coffin. Alam mo yung pumupunta ka pa sa ibang lugar para manood ng mga show. Boracay, Palawan. Girl, yung show dito is like nothing we've ever seen. Eto, dito na heal ang inner child ko. They also have Climb of Gaia, Zip, Horseback Ride, Animal Rendezvous, the Treehouse, Museum of Wonder, the Chapel of Quezon, Alhambra Casa, huge, majestic sculpture, Children's Playground, kiddie boat, skywalk, skybed, hanging bridge, stunning landscape, nature nook, painting lesson, at marami pang iba, all for the price of 950 pesos. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!